everyone, welcome back to my another video. So in this video I am going to show how you can apply for your freelancer ID card from Bangladesh. So first of all, come to this website freelancers.gov.bd. Okay, so after that let's check the criteria at first. Okay, so here you can see eligibility criteria. So what they are saying, you need a Bangladeshi national ID card, means NID, your NID, and a minimum verified income of USD 50 within the last 12 months. Means last 1 year you should have income of 50 USD, and valid proof means your marketplace statement records or Payoneer records, Upwork records or your Fiverr records, anything or any kind of marketplace you are working. Okay, so first of all we have to create an ID. Okay, so here you have to put your full name. So I'm just giving mine, and you have to register here. You should put a strong password, like a character and uppercase, lowercase letter, like numbers 1 2 3, something like that you have to put, otherwise you won't be able to continue. Okay, so then you have to put the captcha. Let's do you. Okay, let's try. Captcha is incorrect, so just paste 6 mf charity. Okay, registration is completed. Now I have to check my email and activate my account. Okay, my account is activated, and let's log in. Okay, okay, I have logged in. So here after login you will get this apply now button. Just click here and you can see what you need, your national NID card. So you can put the front and back on the same page. Okay, create like this. Then here you can see, so maximum is 500 kb, and your photograph JPG or anything, its size will be 300 into 300 pixel, and it should be within 500 kb. And that statement I was talking about, like your Fiverr, Payoneer or Upwork statement, that should be under 2 MB. Okay, so after that just click apply. Okay, that thing again, just come here, and here I just show you this one, like I am going to select this one, freelancer Fiverr Upwork. I work online marketplace, and the marketplace name Upwork can be, okay, Upwork. My marketplace profile ID, I have to provide that also, this. Okay, okay, I am going to put all of this. Let's start from here. Just a national ID card. So this is my national ID card number, and choose upload NID. So I already like ready everything. So here is my NID, and date of birth. Here is date of birth, date of birth. Okay, then it should be April 19. Okay, and upload your profile picture. Okay, we need to upload that picture, I already talked about. Then here is the district. So I'm going to select my district according to my NID. Okay, okay, and put my expertise, then proof of income PDF only you should. Okay, so I'm going to put my Upwork statement. Okay, then Upwork profile link I'm going to, so I just copied my Upwork profile link, then put it here, and the income of last 12 months I can put this. Okay, so then add more marketplace. I'm not going to add any other marketplace for now, and just confirm here, just check market, and just check everything. Okay, I think everything is good. I'm just going to submit application. So you can see application submitted successfully. They are saying they will take like 7 working days to review. Just going, so here it's pending. You can see the status from here, from your dashboard, so you can check it later. Also you will receive an email. You can see I'm just received I have received an email, and here they will take up to 7 days. So I think you understand how you can apply for your freelancer ID card from Bangladesh. So let's see you in the next video. Thanks.